Yep, there you go. Sinakbal agad guys. So, tayo natin mahuli siya. Yan. This one is bigger. This is a big one. Come here, bye. Keep up there. Keep up. Uy, malaki ito. Malaki ito guys. This is the one guys. Uy. Uy. Oh no. Oh no, red snapper. I thought it was mangrove. It felt like mangrove though. That's a red snapper. Parang ganalis ko. Ay, patay sa gawin mo. Ganun mo lang. Para lumamot. May mata. Ipalabas yung ganyan. Yan yung presentation niya. Okay. Pero kailangan natin pag nag-grill tayo ngayon medyo mabilis dahil may shark. Nakita ko shark na laki. Yeah, we got him on, baby. That's a good one. Mango pasar. Yeah. Look more, shark is coming. Where is this guy, guys? That's a good one too. That's a good one, pasar. Wow, look at that. Woo! Boom, shaka lang, guys. Mango po. Nice. That's a beauty. Nice and beauty, baby. Take a look at that. 3 to 1, huh? The 3 to 1. Up down. Go. Yan ang katulad nyo. Mababa ko lang yes. That's another one. Kaya wala naman mo guys. Pagdang room kasi sabay yung hinabi mo. Yes, ladies and gents. That's a nice one. Woo! Star. We did it again. Guys, beauty. Woo! Take it. Yeah, oh, we got it, guys. Got it, guys. That's another mangrove, guys. That's a big one too. I know, red. There's snapper, guys. My bad. Pansin yung kaibahan niya. Yung isa medyo gray, ito siya red. Look at that. Orange actually, dapat orange snapper ang tawag dito eh. Whoop. Yeah, we got it guys. That's a mangrove. Ooh. Maliit na mangrove guys. Yeah, maliit na mangrove. Yeah, that's a oh, no. That's a decent one. Mangrove po again. Pagbuhay talaga mangrove. Pero pagbagsak mo pa lang po. Agad-agad po. Opo, pagbuhay. Grabe guys. Yeah, that's a mangrove. Look at that guys. Every freaking drop guys. I'm telling you. You see the difference between red snapper and mangrove? See that? This one is kind of like gray. That's why they call this thing a gray snapper. Look at that guys. What? Wala pa nga 1 minute yun. Number 10 baby. Number 10. Yep, hulog pa lang po. Sakmal agad. This one is better. Oh, this one is bigger. Yeah, this one is bigger guys. Come on, get up. Ay, malaki ito. Kung hindi ito red snapper ha, malaking mangrove. Malaking mangrove ito. Kung hindi red snapper guys. Ay, mukhang red snapper guys. Mukhang red snapper, malikot eh. Yeah, red snapper nga. Oh man, red snapper nga. That's a red snapper guys. We don't want this guy. So we're gonna put it back in the water. Here you go, ready? What? Look at that. Bye ya. Yeah. There you go. Uy. Uy. Up. Come on, get up there. Come on. Yeah. Get up here. Wag lang red snapper, wag lang red. Wag lang red. Oh, it's a big one, Pastor. It's a big one. It's a big one. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's a big one, guys. Yeah, guys. What? That's a big one. Let's measure this guy. Look like 18. This one is 18. 16. This is the same mangrove I caught in ICW. This one is 16. 16 ba? 16 po. Nice job. Wala na yung arte, ah. Oh. Pagkakita yung pagkain, nga agad eh. Guys, this is a big one. Are we recording or what? Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. Hi guys. Ito yung bayang, guys. Tawag natin ito bayang. It's a big one. What? Let's do it again. Yan. Ayan, oh, mangrove yan, oh. Ladies and gents, that is a mangrove. Mangrove to, sir. Not a mangrove. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we're good now. Buo. Yung butas niya siguro. Look at that, guys. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Yes, sir. Pachalane. Hari padis na. That's a good one too. That's a good mangrove, Pastor. That's a good one. Mangrove, mangrove, mangrove. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another one, baby. Look at the beauty. Yes, sir. Yan, yan, yan. This is a good one, Pastor. This is a good one. Oh, come on, get up. Bagis na karon. Yeah, this is a good one. God, look at that, Pastor. Uy, sapit lang. Sapit. 2-0 ka, boy. Guys, pound hook, guys. Hindi kasama sa bilang to, guys. Balik natin to. Hindi kasama sa bilang.
Ang doctor black process na.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. What? Look at that. Kingfish po. Yeah, kingfish. O baka Spanish po. Kingfish po. Hindi, na-floater. Ay, Pastor, sabi ko sa'yo, last 2, ano natin, oh. Last 2 bait natin, Pastor. Last 2 bait natin. Nice one. Nice. I'm watching this. Look at that beauty. Pagyan, pagyan. Grabe, oh. Pastor, oh. Yeah. Ito maliit ito. Eh, maliit ka, oh. Pero talaga mangrove. Gagawin natin cut bait naman tayo. Yeah. Kumain pa siya. Guys, oh. Pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan, guys. Yan. That's a good one po. That's a good one. Kumupunta sa structure. Ito po, good one to. That's a good one. Uy, malaban, no? Malaban po malaki kayo. Spanish po. Yeah. Yeah, Spanish. Ayari ka ngayon. Ayari ka ngayon sa akin. Okay, okay. Ang kamay ko. Muntik pa. Inabot yung kamay ko, guys. Naganga na pati. Spanish. Okay guys, so ito kailangan ay there you go. Kailangan ay 14 siya. Yan ay 16. Let's take it. 16. Pastor, oh. Wagsak mo pa lang po. Salubong na. Ayun, oh. Ay. Yeah. Salubong agad po. Mangrove ito. Mangrove ito, Pastor. 100% mangrove. Sa taas eh. Mangrove ito, 100%. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Iba yung kagat ng mangrove talaga. Iba yung kagat niya, Pastor. Lugan nyo lang. Ay, Pastor oh, hinabol ng bluefish oh. Pastor oh, hinabol ng bluefish. In my face. Right in my face. Ibaba nyo yung ano yun, Pastor yan. Hinabol ng bluefish. Galing eh. Nakita nyo guys. Hinabol ng bluefish. May natirang bait. Variety huli natin ngayon, Pastor. Apat na ano, variety. Apat na variety, apat na species. Dalawa na kayo dyan. Maglaro kayo dyan ngayon dalawa. Go, let's drop it down. Ow. Hinabol eh. That's a good one. Ito mangrove to, Pastor. Another gray. Oh, that's a gray one. Yes sir. Ooh. Naghabol pa yung blue runner guys. Pastor, naghabol pa yung blue runner. Nakita niyo po?
Bago lang.
Oo, pag-angat na. Diyan naghabol. Kasi guys, naglubo na yung tiyan niya. Ang gagawin natin, tingnan nyo, maririnig nyo guys ha. Umutot guys, papakutotin natin din. Pag hindi natin pinautotin yan, mamatayan. Here you go. Take it. Yep. That's a mangrove. That is a mangrove, people. Mangrove yan, mangrove. Angat ka. What more? Mangrove guys, mangrove yan. Kanyang galawan, 100%. Ooh! Yes sir. What the? Yeah. What? Pala, ano natin ba sa arasin natin? Ayos natin. At least okay na pakaramdaman, di ba? Samantalin natin na okay pa. Ay, patay galit camera ha? Patay ang camera ha? Kaya ang huli ko, walang yan ito. Yung kapastor ano? Uy, don't do that. Guys, another one. Bite the dust. I think this is I think this one is 17. 16. 16 lang guys. I will take it. Look at that. Ito namumulaw. This is the last one guys. After this we're heading home baby. Alright, it's snapper na. Alright, this is gonna be our last bite guys and we're heading home. Woo! Alright guys, so that's it for the day. We're heading home. Well, nakarami tayo guys. Of course, kasama natin si Pakler. Kaya lang medyo
Di magandang pakiramdam.
Hindi magandang pakiramdam ni Pastor. Kaya uwi na tayo guys. Pero nakarami tayo guys ha. Shoutout sa lahat natin mga tropa dyan sa Pilipinas. Peace out baby. Woo! Shoo!